Hi, my experience with the Pentair products was actually less than satisfying. I installed this Solar Touch control system that you can see right there, along with this variable speed Pentair pump, which you can see there, and they do not communicate well. They seem to know about each other, but the Solar Touch solar control system that you see there does not work at all with the pump. And tech support with Pentair is nothing less than a absolute nightmare. I was put on hold for an hour, and then I get someone who doesn't even know anything about what I'm talking about. So the shipping was great, but these two products do not communicate together, and they say they do on their website. Trying to get help was a very frustrating thing. Thanks very much.